Hello everyone, welcome to our channel The Home Decor Studio. Today we will discuss about toilet decor ideas. Are you tired of your bathroom feeling bland and uninviting? In this video, we will explore creative toilet decor ideas that will transform your bathroom into a stylish and functional space. Let's start with a nature inspired theme for your toilet decor. Incorporate elements like plants, natural textures, and earthy colors to create a serene and organic ambience. Hang framed botanical paints and a small vase with fresh flowers to bring the outdoors inside. For a sleek and modern look, option for a minimalist and clean design. Choose a toilet with clean lines and a wall mounted tank to maximize space. Keep the decor simple and clutter free using neutral colors and streamlined accessories for a minimalistic aesthetic. If you want to make a statement, go for a bold and vibrant color scheme in your bathroom. Paint an accent wall in a bright color or use patterned wallpaper to add visual interest. Select colorful toilet accessories and artwork that complement the color palette for a fun and energetic vibe. Embrace the charm of the past with a vintage inspired decor for your toilet. Look for vintage style fixtures. Create a climbing and coastal vibe in your bathroom with the beach theme. Use sea inspired colors like blues and whites and incorporate seashells, driftwood, and nautical decor. Hang a framed beach photograph or display a collection of seashells for a beachy feel. For a modern and geometric look, incorporate contemporary toilet decor. Choose geometric shape, mirrors, light fixtures, and accessories. Consider using pattern tiles or wallpaper with geometric designs to add visual interest and create a contemporary focal point. These toilet decor ideas will help you create a stylish and functional bathroom. Which decor style resonated with you the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more home decor inspiration. Please like and subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching my video.